Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chavez556 again. We're going to do an EDC video today. Check me out. Looking good, I know. Alright, here we go. First off, we'll start out with the wallet. Gotta love the wallet. Everybody's seen that guy before. Both the keys, carabiner, little box here for my aspirin and whatnot. And then we got chapstick, Burt's Bees. Next up, we got blue Bic. Gotta love the Bics. Always start up, they always flame up. Next, gotta have your pen. This is a tactical defense pen slash little shanker there. Just in case, a little last resort backup, in case you get yourself in a situation where you might have to write slash, cut somebody. And we got, boom, BlackBerry. Love that thing. Get on all your YouTube sites and your, favorite websites. Favorite knife shops, tactical shops, cool shops. And then we got for main EDC blade today, bada bing bada boom, Spyderco Tenacious. Love that thing. Just kind of getting used to this guy, but I love it. So that's my primary blade. Then we got our backup blade, which is Smith & Wesson Sort. It's a little spring assist. It's pretty fast too. I like it. Works for me. It does the job. Anyways, so then, let's see, what else do I got here? So I got a little flashlight, a little Nebo. These things work good for $10. I think it was like $12, I'm not sure. Then I got the Visine, in case you get crusty, clear your eyes. And last but not least, this is what I'm rocking today. I'll put it up here. I'll bring it back here. Glock 17 and the Uncle Mike's in the pants holster. I love that Glock 17. Yep, so anyways, that's just my EDC update. Wanted to let you guys check it out and just kind of see how my system was running today. So, yeah, anyways, we'll be back for some more reviews. Take care.